Letter number 2. Burnopfield in bloom. Dear friend, the gardening volunteers have been busy maintaining the flower beds throughout the village. The array of colours and scents as I walk by is lovely, attracting the pollinators, sharing the flowers with me. So it's now time for me to go into the front garden and do some tidying up after looking at the beautiful flower beds throughout the village. My front garden comprises of roses, delphiniums, lavender and a few irises plants. It's not a large garden, but it's enough to occupy me. The back garden mainly is small shrubs, evergreen plants and a small greenhouse to grow tomatoes in. I think the inspiration of how the village maintains a wonderful appearance enhances the charm. While walking through the village main street, the front gardens of many houses are full of bloom with a variety of plants. I wonder what it looked like many years ago without the expansion of housing that we see today. I hope you enjoy this letter with some viewpoints of mine of how the village looks today. Enjoy the rest of your day with a nice cup of tea and a biscuit or two. Best wishes, Andrew.